No sadder sight than a slow sink. Do you have a drain moving slower than rush hour traffic? Don't sweat it. John The Plumber's here. Serving Gloucester homeowners and business owners since 2006. John The Plumber tackles clogged drains fast and professional. And did we mention, we have the nicest guys around. Our team aims for customer satisfaction with fast, reliable, and friendly services so you can get back to life flowing smoothly. Here's how we flush away your drain problems like a pro. First, our licensed plumbers will inspect your line with high-tech video cameras to pinpoint the clog, then clear it out using our specialized tools, each tailored for a specific job and clog. If it's a smaller blockage in your sink or toilet, we'll use our good friend the drain snake or auger. These small but mighty tools will get the job done, no second guessing. If you're dealing with tree root invasion, we'll bring in the heavy hitter, champion of the tree roots, the chain knocker. This device will punch out those tree roots and get them knocked out in the very first round. No need for a decision. If it's a larger block, then we bring in the heavy artillery, the hydro jetter. This baddie blasts through the block with high pressure water to scrub those pipes clean.
If you look at the top right corner, roots were all in here when we first came. We ripped those all out.
So, why choose John The Plumber? We're always ready for same-day service, so no clog will ruin your day. We offer upfront pricing. You see what you will pay and approve the work before we start. No surprises. We're licensed, insured, and deliver a friendly team of honest and experienced plumbers dedicated to customer satisfaction and protecting your home's plumbing system. So, whether you need a drain cleaning, drain inspection, or a full hydro jetting blast, John The Plumber has the tools, tech, and the experienced team to get your drains flowing again right now. Don't let your clogs block your life from happening. Call John The Plumber or book online for fast, reliable drain cleaning services. Call us at 613-366-4761 or book online at johntheplumber.ca/Gloucester.